Hi everyone and welcome to the Scottish city of Dundee. I'm soaking up some morning rays before I catch this morning's train to Aberdeen with a connection onto Inverness. This should be quite a scenic journey because the train up to Aberdeen skirts the North Sea coast. Now, my train arrives into Aberdeen at 11:50 and the connection leaves at 11:56, giving me a full 6 minutes connection time. What could possibly go wrong? Anyway, it's going to be a good one. Sit back, relax, enjoy the journey, and I'll see you on board. At least this train's due to arrive on time. So far, the train is on time. I think we made it, with 6 minutes to go.
Around RH as well.
Well, I've made it to Inverness, but only just. That was a tough journey, that one. The train was absolutely packed, and at some point about 12, maybe 14 women got on board, and they were heading into Inverness for a hen's night. And I'll tell you what, they were having a good time. It was a loud, loud train. Anyway, I was fortunate to get a window seat, but it was on the left-hand side. I wanted one on that side, the right-hand side. Left-hand side, facing south, the sun's shining through the window and it bleaches all the colour of what you're trying to film, and it shows every fleck of dirt on the window. That's why there's not a lot of footage. I would then look out the other side across the aisle and it was beautiful sunshine, vistas of Scottish scenery, fantastic. Anyway, I'm here in Inverness for 2 nights. I'm on a mission because I need to get to a shop by 5 o'clock. If you want to see what I'm up to, see me at the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one anyway. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And there's a train right behind me, sneaking up behind me like that.